Yes, industrial securities market is one of the key constituent of Indian capital market. In industrial security market, companies, whether old companies or new companies, raises capital through issues of equity shares, or we call it as stocks and debentures. Industrial security market is further categorized as primary market, which is also known as new issues market, and secondary market, which is also known as old issues market. In case of primary market, that is new issues market, the company issues new equities or debentures as a security in the market and raises a fresh capital from the market. In case of primary securities or primary market or new securities market, company gets direct money. Involvement is 100% for company in case of primary market. I'll give an example. Let's say there is a company who has already have a equity shares in the market of 100 crores and they want to raise another 50 crores. They float new fresh equities in the market and raise 50 crores. So that comes under primary market or new issues market. Now this company will have a total equity share capital of around 150 crores. Another example, let's say there is altogether a new company who wants to raise capital from the market. So what does these do? They float their shares in the market and the investor buys those equity shares or debentures or bonds, and in turn company raises a capital of, let's say, 10 crores. In case of primary markets, the company directly is involved and get money from the market directly. On the contrary, secondary market, or I would say old issues market, here already there is no change in the capital generated by the company from the market. Here already the equity or the stock has been floated in the system and the trading of already issued stocks happens. So there is only buying and selling of already issued equities or stocks in the market happens in secondary market or old issues market, and that's where it is called as old issues. New equities not been issued, already the issued equities are being traded among investors. This trading of secondary market of equities or stocks happens through stock markets. Well, stock market is an organization or association where bonds, equities, stocks, commodities are traded. So whenever you want to buy or sell any sort of equities or bonds or commodities, you take a platform of stock market. There are two big stock markets which are already operating in India. One is NSE, National Stock Exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. So what do we understand? That in case of primary market, there is a direct involvement of a company because whatever capital has been raised is directly given to the company. But in case of secondary market, there is no involvement whatsoever of a company. Already the floated shares has been traded through stock market. Understand, stock market is a very key constituent of Indian capital market. So in nutshell summary, well, industrial security market is basically a market where companies raises their capital through issues of equities and debentures. They are further categorized as primary market or new issue market and secondary market, that is old issues market. In case of primary market, the new company or old company issues new shares or stocks or debentures in the system and raises a fresh capital. Where in case of secondary market or old issues market, as the name suggests, already the equity or stock has been issued in the market, and in case of secondary market, only the trading happens. Selling and purchasing happens. This trading and selling and purchasing happens through stock exchanges. So stock exchanges are basically organization or associations where stocks, bonds, commodities are traded. They are very key constituent of Indian capital market. Two big stock exchanges of India are NSE, National Stock Exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Well, in case of primary market, there is a direct involvement of company, whether it's new or old, because the fundraise is directly given to the company. Where in case of secondary market, there is no direct involvement of the company. The equities, already issued equities are traded through stock markets in the system.